Hello guys, what is up, and welcome to another Monopoly Go tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you how to do is how you can get your link or copy your link, which you use to invite friends to Monopoly Go. This is a link unique to you, so don't worry about anybody stealing your link, and let's get right into it. So what you need your link for is, as I've said, inviting your friends to Monopoly Go, and you want to do this because this is the way you can get several rewards, mainly dice, because for every friend you actually get to play Monopoly Go with you, you will get 100 dice reward for each unique player. Another thing you need dice for, or what you need friends for, is the community chest, which you can see in the middle of my screen, the shining thing here right in the middle. The more friends you have, you can get better rewards and a higher multiplier for the minigame. However, you also need a minimum of 5 friends to actually play the community chest minigame, so that's why friends are also important. Another thing why friends are important is collaborative, let's say, events such as the car show minigame or the baker partner minigame. You need actual friends in your friends list to actually sign them up as partners for the event, and the more you work together, the better rewards you will get. Now, the way you actually find your link is by going into the friends tab in the bottom right of your screen. As you can see, once I enter this, I will be greeted by the add friends tab. Here you will see any pending requests from people who have requested to be your friend, as well as random suggestions of friends you can add. Now, to actually find our link, this is unimportant to us. What is important is the big green invite button you see on the bottom of the screen with a man and a plus sign attached. And once you click it, you will be greeted by this screen. What you want to do then is click on the big orange invite button, and you will be greeted by the standard sharing screen of your mobile phone operating system. What you want to do to actually get your link is click the copy button, and now your link will be copied to your clipboard, and you can send it either via messages or by posting it on sites such as Reddit and things like that. That's been it for this video. I hope it was informative, and I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.